Dear students, this is our 10th chapter of Honeysuckle, the Banyan Tree, written by Ruskin Bond. The author, as a young boy, used to live in his grandfather's house in Dehradun. There was an old banyan tree in the garden. The tree was home to squirrels, butterflies, and snails. The author used to hide in its branches behind thick green leaves. His first friend was a small grey squirrel. The squirrel became friendly after it found that the author did not have any catapult or air gun. It grew quite bold and started taking small food pieces from his hand. It started going deep into his pockets in search of food. During the time when figs appeared, the banyan tree was the noisiest place in the garden. The birds of all kinds would flock into branches. The author used to read books and look down through the leaves at the world below. One day he saw a huge black cobra coming out of a group of cactus. At the same time, a mongoose also came from the bushes. They came face to face. Both of them were aware of each other's strength and weaknesses. It was a battle of champions. Both were equally skilled and experienced fighters. The mongoose was clever, aggressive, and superb fighter, while the cobra can strike swiftly and his sacs were full of deadly poison. The fight between the cobra and the mongoose began, and there were 3 spectators of the battle. The three viewers were the author, a myna, and a jungle crow. They settled down on the cactus to watch the outcome of the battle. The mongoose started the attack. It made a pretended move to one side. The cobra struck, but the mongoose jumped to one side. The mongoose bit the snake on its back. The 2 birds tried to feed on the cobra, thinking that it is dead. The crow and the myna made 3 attempts to feed on the cobra. They collided 2 times with each other. Meanwhile, the mongooses keep attacking the snake. In the 3rd round, the cobra struck the crow with great force and killed it. The myna remained on the cactus and decided not to interfere with the snake, and the mongooses resumed their fight. The cobra grew tired and weak. The mongoose went near to attack the cobra. The cobra coiled itself around the mongoose in a frightening manner. The mongoose killed the cobra when it ceased to struggle and dragged it into bushes. The myna came to the ground and looked into the bushes. Then later it flew away with a shrill cry of congratulations. So this was the last chapter. I hope you have understood, and if there is any problem, any question, you can directly message me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you and have a nice day.